Next level, camping grill. So you just unfold it this way and flip all the way around like this, each leg. It's probably most foldable camping grill ever. And then there's legs right here too. Then you put this together and it locks it in. And then the charcoal holder or wood holder goes into here. Just plug it in and you can raise it higher all over. So you could put bottle pen on top of here and wood or charcoal in here.
This one is on the run.
Awesome.
This is your normal fire starter. This is the world's largest fire starter. It's totally unnecessary, but it is cool and very easy to start the fire with the just random grass. Look at that spark. That's amazing.
Si no me quieres, ni modo, de amor no voy.
Bien altos traigo ya. Me dicen, güey, ya la tienes que superar. Pero yo ni puedo. Pa' ser sincero, ya ni quiero. Mejor su recuerdo me la bebo. Los tragos me saben mejor. Así estaba pensando en llamar.
Contractors telling you can't do large format tile on the shower floor. It's either one, they don't know how to do it, or two, they just want to get it in and out and don't really care about what the shower is actually going to look like. This is the future of tiled shower floors. If you guys want to learn how to do that, just hit follow and you learn.
On today's episode of Whack Thought.
Whack.
Jefe, ya estuvo. Ya estuvo el jale, jefe.
¿Tan rápido estuvo que?
Ya, pues sí, son 500 bolas, jefe.
Pero si no hiciste nada.
Sí, pues no cobramos por lo que hacemos, jefe, cobramos por lo que sabemos.
Pues qué chingados saben, eso lo sabe toda la gente, cabrón.
No, jefe, sabemos que anda con la vieja de aquí de la esquina y que tiene un chiquillo con ella.
Oh, ¿cuánto dijeron? Disculpe, es que yo no sabía eso. ¿Cuánto dijo que era?
No se entiende la gente, jefe.
Ok, ahorita le pago.
No me da.
Raza, ¿qué tan difícil es darle like a mi video? Es más, yo les prometo que si le dan like, yo les pongo like a sus videos.
No me da.
Wipe it down, wipe it down, wipe it down.
tonight. R.I.P. that.
Killer, West Side Killer.
Hab die ganze Welt gesehen, von Singapur bis Berlin. Wenn du mich fragst, wo's am schönsten war, sag ich Sansibar.
किन्ने आए किन्ने गए हुण तक किसे कोल लेखा तां नहीं मिट्टी दे पावे आवे तैनू किसे गल दा भुलेखा तां नहीं मिट्टी दे पावे आवे तैनू किसे गल दा भुलेखा तां नहीं ओ लवली शदाया इत्थे औखे वेले कोई नहीं लभदा खलोण नू उत्तों तो कहिंदे सारे जुग जुग दी आ पिछों सब फिरदे आ भोग पाउण नू
Hard work, not another day's of work. Hard work, that's what they say. Hard work, I earn my pay. Hard work, I get off the rock, I move on down. Hard work, to go.
5 months ago, we started building our dream pool, and it has been an incredible journey. It all started with a digital drawing, and seeing it come to life has been so much fun. Over the weekend, our amazing team showed up and started plastering the pool. They worked so fast, and before I knew it, they were rinsing down the plaster to reveal the beautiful blue color you helped us pick. After making sure they got all of the plaster out of the tile, the pool was finally complete. Then it took 24 hours to fill up with water, but once it did, I am so shocked by the results. The pool is exactly what we envisioned. The team still needs to come to treat it so we can take our first swim in the pool, and our turf and outdoor kitchen gets installed in the next few weeks. Make sure to stay tuned for the complete backyard transformation.
Up a little bit. It ain't. You gotta scoot it over more. You gotta scoot it over more. See how it's shooting hard? Pull it up. Pull it up a little bit. See? Keep going. A little bit more. All the way up. Right there. Now you're right. All right. Now turn the cord ball. Turn your cord ball.
Under 30 seconds. Under 45.
All right. Now tighten it up.
40 seconds and count. 45 and count. 50 seconds. 1 minute.